So you may not notice, but there's one task that kills your cash flow and your sanity as an entrepreneur. And you want to guess what this is? Chasing clients, right? Every entrepreneur I meet hates it, and yet most spend hours each week doing it. So what do I mean by that? You finish the job, you send an invoice, and now you wait, right? You send a reminder, maybe another one, maybe another one. And now you seem to be the bad guy because you're looking to get paid. The problem isn't your client, it's your process. Manual billing breaks down the second you get super busy. All right. So here's how you can fix this. You can use a tool like GoHighLevel, and we can also provide you with VAs that can set up recurring invoice templates. Now that's being triggered by AI, and that sends reminders 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, and you don't have to think about it. Once payments is clear, it shows the receipt in your back office and it's tagged as accounting, right? No awkward emails, no chasing. It's consistent, it's professional, and it's super scalable. I want you to imagine opening your dashboard like on a Monday morning and seeing green, every invoice has been collected while you were off on a weekend. So, give you an example, one of our clients spent 10 hours a week just following up on getting invoices, right? Get invoice paid. After we help them set up that automation, 15 minutes, cash flow stabilized within 30 to 60 days, and he doesn't have to worry about it. So let the system do the work for you, right? So if this is something you might be interested in, I dropped the link to our 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel so you can take advantage of that and book a call with our team. We can help you get a VA that can manage your cash collection, right? Because guess what? That's important. That's needed if you want to take it to a next level. And your future self will truly thank you for actually doing something that's gonna save you hours of your time. And I think a lot of people don't think about this, but this is part of your systems, right? A lot of people would see the GoHighLevel platform just for marketing. It's more than that. You can use it for marketing, you can use it for operations, right? So you can really use it in different part of your business to really help you grow. And with that system set up properly and having a virtual assistant managing that process for you, that saves you a lot of times, a lot of headache, and you can get paid on time. All right. So if cash flow is important to you as an entrepreneur, it doesn't matter what you do. I would highly recommend you look into using this tool to help you and also having the right team in place that know how to manage this team, right? Manage this whole process so you don't have to trying to figure out all the technical stuff yourself. And that's where our VA team come in, providing you a VA, some AI tools, and match them together, and you're ready to go. So definitely, if you like this video, like, share it, comment on it, let me know. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know as well. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Cheers.